Once there was a dog carrying a piece of meat in his mouth. He was passing through a jungle. He was crossing a bridge. Suddenly he saw his own shadow in the river water. After a while he thought that another dog is carrying a piece of meat. He tried to snatch that meat also. He barked and the piece of meat fell into the river. The moral of the story is greed leads to all evil.
Well done. I'm really impressed. Your language is coming good. Your tone is also super. Work hard. So, what do you have to do for getting second star? What you will do?
Sir, I will bring my EVS book
And
and I will tell story.
not story. You have to read the book. For me, and you have to explain the meaning.
Yes,
Right?
Yes,
So, have you started reading the book?
yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
And what about the speech? Have you seen that in YouTube? 2-star speech.
Yes,
Which one?
sir. Till now I have not seen, sir. I will see today.
You see, there are 3 speeches on water, on moral education, and there's one more, right?
Yes, sir.
And you can do good, beta. What's your name?
Sir, Shashwat Pandey.
Shashwat Pandey. Shashwat is a good boy, huh? Chalo.